One of the world's fastest growing economies is Indonesia, and telecoms and IT have been at the heart of that. I'm here today with Kristiono, the chairman of an industry group called MASTEL, which covers telecom operators, IT companies, and broadcasters. Now, Kristiono, just tell us about some of the challenges you have in the ICT field in Indonesia.
Yeah, the most of challenging is about the market. The market's growing significantly because of the industry growth will also drive the economic growth. So that's why the most of challenging how to fulfill the growth of the demand itself. The basis of the challenge was how to roll out the infrastructure in a fast way, since the infrastructure was really capital intensive, and we need an ecosystem how to accelerate that thing.
Right, I guess the problem is in particular meeting the demand. There's a lot of unmet demand out there, right?
Yeah, right.
And fibre to the home is obviously the most powerful fixed broadband solution, but it's probably a demanding job to do in a place like Indonesia. So tell us about some of the issues fibre to the home has.
Yeah, I just mentioned about the ecosystem. We are lack of ecosystem of the fixed broadband, especially to the home. Since one of the ecosystem element which we are lacking is the support from the government, because to roll out the fiber to the home, of course, we have to lay down the cables, and we have to get the right of from the government. So we are expecting to have the right license from the government to lay down the cable easily in a fast way. And actually, because this is infrastructure, so we are expecting the government to treat it also as infrastructure, providing us with the right of way at the most cost efficient. So that's the most backlog of the fixed broadband infrastructure. So that's why that we are trying to approach the government, since the government, in order to government to be more aware what are the importance and necessity of the fixed broadband rollout in the country.
And how about your organization? What kind of role can MASTEL or is MASTEL playing in this?
Yeah, we are supporting the government, since the government already launched the broadband plan up to next 5 years. So we are supporting the government by coordinating as a hub for the multi-stakeholder approach. So because all the elements of the broadband ecosystem have to work together and move at the same pace and direction. So that's the role of our organization, how to inviting all of the elements to be involved, working together, have the same perception, and promoting also to the citizen about the awareness of the necessity of the fixed broadband for them.
Right, so it's about building the ecosystem, getting everyone to work together.
Right. Of course, we have to put in a map all the elements involved and defining the role play of each of the elements, and bring all together at the same framework and direction. And last but not least, also having a very concrete pilot project how to do such an exercise and looking for finding the problem and also a solution.
So a fascinating topic. It's a big economy with a large population and a lot of opportunities there, but there's a bit for them to work through, and particularly getting everyone onto the same page. But as we've just heard, there's already quite a bit of cooperation between the industry and the government.